All right, everybody, here's something I've been waiting for a long time. We'll do a little unpackaging thing here. So this is the first one. They all come from Austria, a place called blacksmithparadise.com. A guy named Emerald Cock, he's a really nice guy. Should really check out his website. He's got a lot of incredible anvils, some up to like 1,190 pounds. So this one was on top and kind of fell off on the way home. So we'll get this undone here. I believe this one is 240 pounds and seems to be a cousin to the anvil that I use in my shop on a daily basis. Has the tool slot, only this one has the double hardy and I guess kind of like the cutting plate or the step, but there is no step, kind of like on like a English style anvil. This is German. This I don't know. I don't know if they used it as a stool or something for a long time. So this is the first one. All right, now on to the next one. This is another German anvil, but this is going to be a 280 pound church window anvil. Boy, she is a beauty too. It's got a little sway to it. Kind of messed up on the face. So this one's 280 pounds. I believe the last one was 240 pounds. So my wife wants me to sell this one. So I think I might put it up for like $2,000 or $3,000, some ridiculous price, so nobody will want to buy it. That way I can just keep it. So that's number two. See if I can get this off here. Now, on to number three. This is what I've been waiting for right here. Made in Germany. So this is 426 pounds. And it's actually marked in pounds. So, you know, I almost wonder if it was marketed to bring to the U.S. but never made it. I'm not sure. Give you a minute here and I'll give you a shot of the other side. Well, before I show you the other side, let's go on to the swage block real quick. This, I believe, is around 250 pounds, something like that. It's going to be a big difference compared to the Holland Anvil swage block that's only 66 pounds that I'm using now. So this is going to be nice. All right, so here's the other side. We'll see if I can get a shot of the marking. All right. There it is. 426, and there is some other there's something else down here. I didn't see that in the pictures on the website, but let me get a hammer and we'll give it a tap, see what kind of rebound it's got. All right, let's check out some rebound here. I've got a 7/8 inch ball bearing somewhere, but I don't know where it's at this time. We'll do another video setting this up on a stand, and then I'll do a proper rebound test. He's lively. Got a nice ring to it. There's hardly any marks on the face. Edges are beautiful. There's some spots back here that are, you know, a little almost chipped up, but they're more rounded than anything. So they might have been chipped and then dressed. But I mean, you got one spot there. It almost feels it's not recessed. It's actually, I think it's a weld, if anything. Somebody accidentally touched it with the welder. So there's one little spot here. Another, I mean, it's just minimal wear on this thing. It's beautiful. All right, we'll test the rebound of these other two anvils, see what they're like. Got pretty good rebound for being a little beat up. This would be a good workhorse right here. Just like my other anvil. Sounds the same too. Alright everybody. So here they are in all their glory. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get them in the shop. We'll see you guys on the next one.